Hi champions, welcome to another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you about the power of LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a platform, professional platform where you can find jobs, where you can network, where you can locate persons who you may not be in touch with. So it's just a great networking website that persons can use to find jobs. I've heard of persons using LinkedIn to find jobs, remote jobs, in-person jobs. It's just a great website that you can use, a great platform that you can use to network, to meet with people, to collab, to make connections, and to grow your network. All right, guys. So here we are on LinkedIn, right? And this is what the platform looks like, right? So you can discover there's people you can learn, there are jobs you can join in, or if you have an account, you can sign into it. And it says welcome to your professional community. So you can search for jobs here, you can find persons who you know, you can learn skills. Sometimes LinkedIn have some free courses that you can learn a new skill, learn something new. All right, so it's a great website for basically, you know, developing yourself, and is geared towards personal development and all of that. So it's just a great website that you can use. As I said, to some many persons use it to create connections, with persons, to get jobs, and to grow their network. All right. So for you to locate a job, you would just go here, search for a job, right? All right. So all right. So in all right. So wherever you are, you can type in your location here. So I am in Jamaica, so I type in Jamaica, and you can search for the company that you want. You can, whatever the location, the type of job, the experience level, right? And whether it's on-site, remote, hybrid, right? So whatever you want, whatever job that you are looking for, you can use LinkedIn to find that job, right? So Jamaica is in the location area. So there are 570 jobs in Jamaica, right? And these are all the jobs that are here, right? So you can tailor it in the filter here as to what type of job you want, if it's a work from home job you want, or in-person job, or it can be like a hybrid, part in person, part work from home. Whatever you want, you can use LinkedIn to find the job that you want, right? And apply for the job as well, right? So it is just a great website. As I said, you can find persons on it, who you have not probably seen for a long time, and you want to establish a connection with them. It's a great website to locate persons and connect with them, and to grow, right? And that is how networking works, right? So it is a great for networking, especially with like-minded individuals. You can use it for that, right? So any type of job that you want, right? You can just go through here. Um, this is a work from home opportunity. It's Appen from Appen, a company named Appen, and you have late-term marketing analyst program, right? Collection associate. Guys, there are so many jobs here. So let's, for example, I say United States here. All right, so right there are 7 million. Guys, this is what, 7 million plus jobs, 7.343 million plus jobs in the United States. Guys, use LinkedIn, use it. And as I said, you can tailor it to wherever you are, right? Or let me try another Caribbean country. All right, so this is saying 143 jobs in Trinidad and Tobago, right? So just use LinkedIn, guys. It's a great way to, find jobs that if you're out of a job and you're probably having trouble finding one, you can use LinkedIn. Just create a profile on it, right? You can join, right? Just join now, and you put in your information, your email, your password, and it's free to join, right? There's no charge to join, right? There is, however, like a premium part of it if you want to upgrade to access certain services or certain other benefits that the platform offers. There is a premium to it, but the free version is just great. Most persons use the free version, and as I said, you can use it to find jobs, to find persons. You can learn courses on it, right? And just to you know build your professional website, or professional life, sorry, right? So to grow your audience, you can grow your network, and link with like-minded individuals, and to create, also I've seen person, and I've heard of persons who have used LinkedIn to establish their business. So, for example, if you are like a writer, right, and you have a writing business, you can establish your business on LinkedIn. Persons can reach out to you, and you can be like a ghostwriter for them, right? As I say, writing jobs are in demand, and persons are always looking for great writers to write their blogs, articles, maybe social media post, whatever it is, right? So if you have your business, you can establish it, put yourself out there on LinkedIn, right? And for example, as I said, like a ghostwriter, you can maybe connect with bloggers or podcasters or news, news newspaper companies. You can write articles for them, or just about anything, right? I've heard also of somebody who has a plumbing business, establishing a profile on LinkedIn, and got clients based on reviews from previous clients. And it's not only like for, you say, like what should I say now? I mean, just about anybody can create a profile on LinkedIn, and as I said, you establish a business and you get customers on LinkedIn, right? So guys, please subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel a lot, that YouTube can share it to more persons. And please share the videos. Please leave a comment in the on the videos, so that we can all learn and we can all grow, because that is what the channel is about. We want to show you ways that you can make money online, or you can make money otherwise. You can save, you can invest, you can achieve your financial goals, live the life that you desire, or you want, and achieve financial freedom, right? So please subscribe to the channel, please like the videos, please share the videos, and tell a friend to tell a friend about the Empowered Champions channel. Right, guys? So thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye, everyone. Bye, champions.